Volmar compact devices have been specially designed for professional use in industrial and commercial fields. Whether hot or cold, the entire cleaning spectrum right through to material removal and cutting is covered. With the power of Volmar equipment, not even specialized jobs at great heights present a problem. Volmar's compact device program includes hot and cold water equipment. The Ecotherm 600 is a hot water high-pressure device which produces a pressure of up to 600 bar and 28 liters per minute at a water temperature of 98 degrees Celsius. The Ecotherm 800 is the only system in the world which generates a pressure of up to 800 bar and 21 liters per minute at a water temperature of 98 degrees Celsius. Volmar compact devices have almost unlimited applications. The trolley systems round off the lower end of the hot and cold water spectrum. Volmar provides this equipment up to 500 bar with either electric or combustion engines. EcoCold TwinJet 1000 generates a working overpressure of up to 1000 bar and 28 liters per minute. With its two operating places, the twin pump concept provides a significant increase in productivity. The EcoPro 2500 allows you to work tirelessly with a working pressure of 2500 bar and 11 liters per minute. The EcoMaster MK3 is the Volmar flagship in the compact device category. This system, with a flow rate of up to 26 liters per minute and an operating pressure of up to 3000 bar, is the highest performer in its category. You can only achieve quality, reliability and efficiency with technical know-how and innovative solutions. This is the way to achieve a competitive edge, such as the Volmar Volmatic 3, unique the world over. This ensures optimum durability, a fuel saving of up to 30% and a high degree of operational safety. Equally unique throughout the world is the Volmar suction valve lifting system, which operates the entire system at idle pressure, thereby contributing to the high level of operating safety with Volmar equipment. High-pressure water jet is one of the most economic methods available. Volmar is the world leader in the field of high-pressure water equipment. Volmar, using water as a tool for a clean environment.